The U.S. Coast Guard confirms that a Canadian aircraft detected underwater noises in the search area. Crews have refocused their efforts on trying to pinpoint where those noises are coming from.
It's a target, it's a focus for us to look at.
U.S.-based OceanGate Expeditions operated the voyage, which takes tourists to the famous Titanic shipwreck in the North Atlantic Ocean. OceanGate CEO and founder Stockton Rush is among those on board. In an interview with CBS Sunday Morning last year, Rush defended the safety of the submersible.
The pressure vessel is not MacGyver at all because that's where we work with Boeing and NASA and the University of Washington. Everything else can fail. Your thrusters can go, your lights can go, you're still going to be safe.
According to 2018 court filings, a former OceanGate employee said he was fired after voicing concerns about the Titan, saying it posed potential danger to passengers. But in court documents filed this April, OceanGate said the vessel was capable of diving the depth to the Titanic site with a comfortable safety margin.
You know going in how very dangerous this is.
Mike Reese traveled on the Titan almost a year ago.
No one walks into this surprised. Before you even get on, you sign this long waiver that mentions possible death 3 times on the first page.
As for those underwater noises that were detected, the U.S. Coast Guard says data from the Canadian aircraft has been shared with U.S. Navy experts for more analysis and will be used in the search efforts. Roxana Saberi, CBS News, Boston.